Good morning, students. So, in the last few classes, we have started with the King's Minister chapter. So, now we have completed with all the explanation and referring to the keywords with meanings also. And now we are going to discuss in this video is question and answers as well as meanings with keywords. Okay. So, students, in the page number 62, you have 8 question and answers, and it is continued by 3 more. That is, in the page number 63 you have 3 more question answers. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 question answers we will be discussing in now, and next in the next video class. So other means what is there in your textbook, that will be discussing in the next video class. So only the question and answers of 11 and next keywords with meanings we will be discussing it now. Okay. And so you have to write unit number 4, prose, the King's Minister, keywords with meanings. So first I have given 15 keywords with meanings also. So first one is swift-footed, fast in walking and running, swore, promise something very seriously, prey, animal or bird hunted for food, having his fill, eating as much as he could, lone, without companion, set off, begin a journey, paw, the foot of an animal that has claws or nails, off, away, protection, safety from harm, long, want very much, come up with, find or suggest, starve, die of hunger, pounce, make a sudden attack, flee, run away, hearty, loud and cheerful. So these are the 15 keywords with meanings I have given you to write in your class book, students. And now moving to the question and answers. So answer each questions briefly. So second main is answer each questions briefly. So date I have written today's date. Who did the lion make his home minister and why? The lion made fox as his home minister because he was wise and clever. Who was made the defense minister and why? Leopard was the defense minister because he is very alert and swift-footed. Why was the crow made the minister for external affairs? Crow can fly high in the sky, so the lion made crow as minister for external affairs. Fourth question, what promise did the 3 ministers make to the king? The 3 ministers swore to remain loyal to the king, and the lion in return promised to give the food and protection. So these are the 4 question and answers which I have written in the page, and we'll continue in the next page. Fifth question, what did the king promise to do for his ministers? What did the king promise to do for his ministers? The king promised to ministers to give them food and protection. To give them what? To give them food and protection. How did the ministers always have enough to eat? When the lion went to hunting, they helped him to find the prey. After having his fill, he would have remained for them. Thus they always had enough to eat. What did the crow tell to the lion? About camel. The crow told the camel, meat is very tasty. Who brought the camel to the lion and how? Fox brought the lion to the camel to the lion. Fox told to the camel that lion killed its master and lion is inviting camel to stay with him. Why did the lion feel grateful to the camel? Lion felt grateful to the camel because the camel brought them back from desert to forest. Why did the lion ask his ministers to get him some food? Lion was tired and was unable to hunt, so he asked his ministers to get him some food. Last 11th question, who do you think proved most faithful to the king? I think Camel proved most faithful to the king because he stayed at to till the last with the king itself, right? So Camel proved most faithful to the king. So these are the 11 question answer, students. You need to write in your classwork. And next mean you have question and answers also. So other question and answers we will be discussing in the next class. So for today's class only 11 question answers and also the meanings. So thank you, students.